Hi, my name is Landel. I am a technician for Richmond, property manage, and today we working on unit. Come and follow me for some repairs in that unit. Hey guys, today my job is patch the wall, some painting, fix the light fixture, change the light, replace the light bulbs, and some adjustment in the kitchen cabinets. Just a little bit of my day.